Superyachts by name, superyachts by nature. Built with dedication and skill, these vessels cruise the world in comfort and style. Some radiate outstanding craftsmanship and superior quality. Others, the very latest innovative technologies. All these yachts have one thing in common. They were built in Holland. As a country located well below sea level and protected by dunes, Holland has a long relationship with water. Much of its land has been reclaimed from the sea, while the damming of the rivers has resulted in a beautiful landscape. Holland has a rich heritage when it comes to building ships according to traditional methods. Ships that have sailed the world for hundreds of years. Like the 17th century Dutch East India Company ship Batavia, recently recreated with great skill and craftsmanship. Dutch ingenuity is not limited to building ships. The Netherlands has a worldwide reputation for its forward-thinking and innovative approach, and the ability to deliver the highest quality products and services. There are many examples: the wind farms, the bridge builders, the expertise in infrastructure, and of course the Delta Works, the largest man-made defense against flooding in the world. But Holland has more. This small country also has a worldwide name for its superyacht construction, as leading specialists testify.
When you're talking about, super yachts, there are not many yards in the world that can handle, boats like we see being built here.
If you come to Holland, you find a competence in building superyachts and specialists sailing superyachts. They are absolutely unique.
Very good quality interiors, very good welding. They can build in any material, steel, aluminium or composite. So it's a very versatile industry with a huge amount of experience, a lot of skills, tremendous skills. And that's what creates a unique product at the end of the day, Visiting a facility, is fascinating. It's the workshop. It's where the magic all happens,
Yacht building in Holland is supported by practical, efficient and ultra-reliable designs.
It's different. I mean, the Dutch yard can be a bit more rigid, maybe. But I like that the language and the talking is a high quality. So it's very experienced people involved. It drives you to give the best.
Holland is a small land that would fit into the United States 230 times over. This offers many benefits.
The thing that's really made an impression on me is the number and variety of yards here in Holland, and they're relatively close. I mean, it is such a concentrated level of expertise. It's really amazing.
All yacht-related industries are within a radius of 200 kilometres. Not just the yards and suppliers, but also the research institutes give Holland's maritime sector enormous international prestige when it comes to complicated projects. High-profile examples include the salvage of the Kursk in 2001, the construction of the Palm Islands in Dubai, and the building of complex navy vessels. Holland likes nothing more than finding solutions to tricky challenges. Thinking outside the box is second nature. From LED screens that let you watch your favourite movie in bright sunlight to helicopter garages below deck, the boundaries of the possible are continuously being stretched. In Holland, saying no to a client is rarely seen as an option. In a spirit of cooperation, all the co-makers of a superyacht will brainstorm together until an innovative and feasible way of meeting the owner's requirements is found. Dutch yacht builders are known for their incredibly high standard of workmanship. For example, the hull of a superyacht is sanded down by hand and not even the smallest ripple is accepted in the final painted surface. Or take the cable work. Dutch yards pride themselves on having the same level of neatness behind the walls and panels as in front. Perfectionist finishing is par for the course. The Dutch are also true artists when it comes to working with wood. The shapes of the decks and the interior joinery seamlessly blend in with the lines of the yacht.
Wat me echt emotioneel aanspreekt, met name bij de proefvaarten. Als je op het dek staat en er komt een wind in de zeilen te staan, of er komt een buitje over en je voelt het schip tot leven komen, waarvoor het bedoeld is. Dan ben ik vaak, als het allemaal bij elkaar komt, het klikt allemaal, en je voelt het schip doen wat het moet doen, nou, dan ben je toch wel een beetje aangesproken.
Put them in the water and they're there and they're sitting and the crew has just cleaned them and the sun is rising. They're really in their element. They're works of art, works of beauty. If they've been done correctly, they integrate well with their environment. They blend with it. It's almost like watching a bird in flight. It's really a joyful experience.
The success of every yacht launched by a Dutch yard is the success of every individual link in the chain, from design concept to sea trial. These superyachts are proof positive of the saying that the total is more than the sum of its parts.
I think it's impossible not to be proud, yes. I came into every harbor with pride, and people were not only admiring her, they were happy seeing her. It created happiness in people, and if you can create happiness, that gives you pride.
I mean, they have a very strong history in boat building. They have brilliant management services, engineering services. So you can really come to a yard and create a unique product. It's a fantastic industry to be involved with.
And they demonstrate beyond doubt that there is no better place to build yachts than in Holland.